Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to send PayPal money to Google Pay. First, understand that a direct transfer between these two services is not currently an option. However, there is a simple workaround. You will first transfer funds from your PayPal account to your linked bank account. Then, you will add that same bank account as a payment method in your Google Pay application. This two-step process ensures your money reaches its destination smoothly. Connecting your bank account to PayPal is a straightforward process. Open the PayPal application on your device or access their website through a browser. Locate the Wallet or Money tab and choose the option to link a new bank account. You will need your bank's routing number and your account number. PayPal typically verifies the account by sending two small deposits, often less than $1 each, which you will confirm later. Once your bank is linked and verified, you can transfer money from your PayPal balance. Go to your PayPal wallet and select Transfer Money. You will choose your linked bank account as the destination. Standard transfers usually take between 1 and 3 business days to complete and are free of charge. For immediate access to your funds, an instant transfer option is available, though it typically involves a small fee of about 1.75% of the transferred amount. After your funds arrive in your bank account from PayPal, it is time to add that bank to Google Pay. Open the Google Pay application on your mobile device. Navigate to the Payment Methods or Cards section, depending on your app version. Select the option to add a bank account and carefully enter your bank's routing and account numbers, ensuring they match your linked PayPal account for consistency. This step securely connects your bank to your Google Pay wallet.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.